Hey there, fellow travelers and credit card enthusiasts. If you're a proud owner of a Chase Sapphire card, you know how amazing the perks are, like travel rewards and airport lounge access. But let's face it, that annual fee can sneak up on you if you're not prepared. In today's quick guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to check your Chase Sapphire renewal date, so you can stay on top of your finances and make informed decisions. This whole process should only take a couple of minutes, and I'll make it as straightforward as possible. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Chase online account. If you don't have one, head to the Chase website and sign up. It's free and secure. Once you're in, navigate to the Accounts, or Credit Cards, section. You'll see a list of your cards, so click on your Chase Sapphire Preferred, Reserve, or whichever version you have. Now, look for the Account Details, or Statement, tab. Here, Chase usually lists key information like your billing cycle and renewal date. For most users, the renewal date is tied to your annual fee and might say something like next annual fee due, mm/dd/YYYY. If it's not immediately obvious, scroll down or check under Rewards and Benefits. Pro tip: if you're using the Chase mobile app, it's even easier. Just open the app, tap on your card, and head to the Account Summary page. The renewal date should pop up right there. If you can't find it online or in the app, don't panic. Give Chase customer service a call at 1-800-935-9935. They're super helpful and can pull up your account details in seconds. Remember, keeping track of this date helps you decide if the card's benefits are worth renewing. Maybe plan a big trip to maximize those points. There you have it. That's how you check your Chase Sapphire renewal date quickly and easily. By staying proactive, you'll avoid any surprises and make the most of your rewards. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.